Well, I've been doing music all my life, you know. It's not like, I've been singing since I was 3 years old. When I was in the 4th grade, I had a thing every night after school. I was in a choir, I was in a music theater, and I mean, we're talking 9 years old, right? When I was 7, I stalked a teacher to get into her ensemble. I don't remember that. But she called my mother and she was like, do something about your daughter, she's stalking me. She follows me even to the bathroom. I just wanted to be in that group. I wanted to sing in that group. And then they met up with me and they were like, well, see, that group is for older kids, like they start with the 4th grade or something. Or like, you have to wait like 4 years. If we had more kids your age, I'm 7 years old, we would start a group for, in a week I brought 8 more kids. In a week. I have no memory of this. My mother told me all of these stories. Or like when I was 4, she told me, not 4, when I was in the 4th grade, she told me that I had to choose one because I was learning guitar, I was in a musical theater, I sang in a choir, I was taking lessons with a classical singing teacher, because there was a lot of, like in the school where I was at the time, there was a lot of opportunity to do that, and I was doing everything, every night, like after school, and my mom was like, well, you should focus on the studies, you should pick one. You can't do all of them, pick one. And I was like, Mom, you don't understand. What if this is going to be my profession one day? And she was like, yeah. So, by the way, I didn't quit any of those, no matter how hard they were telling me to. No, I stayed with all of them.